Welcome back, everybody. Today is June 3rd. I'm about ready to hit the road. Let's take a look how we pack up the Spyder super quick. So my Can-Am Spyder is a 2020 F3T. In the front, I have a Chromebook, my camera gear, and then as we come down, excuse the road noise, I have a new mount for the 360. I have my quad lock for my phone with the anti-vibration, so it's not hard mounted. 12 volt for power. Coast to coast seat. And then in this side, I have my rain gear. I have a half cover. I have a pump for the tires with plugs. And let's walk around to the other side and let's try not to get run over. I do have the bags that Can-Am makes for the Spyder, and then I have my clothes. I have my medicine. I do have some medicine that I guess considered a controlled substance. I don't know. You can only get it here and there at certain times. They won't let you get it early, so I bring the bottle because it has my name on it. My vitamins I just pack in a bag. Super easy. We got the floorboards from Can-Am Spyder accessories. I have the backrest with the rear tray, awesome, from Can-Am Spyder accessories. I'm not taking the dry bag today. This is literally just an extended weekend. Yeah, so that's it. We have the new tires on the Spyder at 20,000 miles. Need to replace the rear tire again. And yeah, that's it. That's my setup. One last look. I'll put my old man shoes in there because I'm not going to be riding. I'm not going to be wearing my boots. And then if you pull these out, there's this little cutout back here. So if you wear like sandals, you can put a sandal back here. And it just is, it's just a little cheat, a little bit more room. So that's my setup. And I'm gonna hit the road. I'll see you down the road, everybody.
Welcome back, everybody. We are we're on our trip. June 3rd? Yeah, Saturday, June 3rd, and we are leaving the great state of Ohio. And it's hot. It is warm. Spyder telling me it's 90. I think I've seen a high of 91. And I'm gonna be stopping about 20 miles down the road. There we go. That's the Ohio River. This road's not the best, so I'm gonna watch for potholes instead of looking at the river. But see, look at that humongous one. Ooh, you'd fall all the way down to the river if you came into that one. Oh, there's a barge. We're gonna miss the barge. But yeah, welcome to West Virginia. I need some air. Woo, I need some air. It's like you're getting hit by very warm air. We'll leave it at that. And like I said, we're just going into West Virginia for a long weekend. The whole purpose of this ride is to see if I can ride somewhere, wake up the next day, ride again, and then wake up the next day and ride some more. I'm feeling pretty good. I have about another 115 miles. You know, so we'll see. We'll see how things go. I got some ice water in the front. And I should probably stop sooner than later, to be honest with you, so. Yeah, very cool. Oh, walking down the tracks, man, dang, tell you what. I really like coming this way because you go back up underneath the bridge. And the beautiful Ohio River. It is gorgeous. I've been riding down here a lot more, and the river is just spectacular. So there she is, the Great Ohio River. So I will let everybody go, and I'm gonna get down the road, and I'll be back. And yeah, I'll be back. I'm gonna do tolls today. I don't have a transponder because I live in Ohio. So they raised the price. Let's see if I can. Look at that. How you doing? Thank you. See if we can squirt through here. All right, there we go. So what I do is I tuck money in my gloves. That way when I come up to the toll road, I can pay. Now when we first started coming down through here, these sections were at $2 a pop. The last time I came down through here, they were at $4. And now they're at $4.25. Man alive, people are trying to get out of the mountains, folks, sure. They need to give them another lane to get out. They can adjust the lanes in either direction. But yeah, there we go. So I have one more toll to go through and then we're getting off the highway. The highest I've seen is 93 degrees. I did see 95 and then it jumped up to 97 and went right back down to 93. So I think it was just a pocket, you know what I'm saying? So this is the hottest I've ridden in all year. When I stopped and got some gas, I stopped at a Love's truck stop. They have chairs in the shade that you can sit in. So I downed a whole bunch of ice water and I feel decent right now. If I get too hot or I feel the sun's on me too much, I've got sunscreen. And then I also have a very light long sleeve, moisture wicking, I don't know, performance shirt. You know, that'll keep the sun off of me and actually keep me cooler than being in a t-shirt. So I'm ready for the hot temperatures. I'm going to be at elevation, so down here it's 93 degrees. Where I'm going to be, it's going to be the highs in the mid 70s. So you know, I'm looking forward to it being cool, but then you got to pack. You got to pack from 50 degrees to 93 degrees. But it's good. It is good. I think I got it. So I'm gonna let everybody go, and I'm gonna get down the road. Hopefully I can get into some elevation here shortly and get this weather to cool off. Maybe we'll stop and get some sunscreen next little stop. Let me get through this tight little turn. I'll let everybody go. Little baby Uplander.
Welcome back, everybody. So we made it to the hotel last night and I went out and bought a half cover. I want to show you what it looks like. So we have a half cover. I just strapped it to the floorboards. This will fit an F3 and an F3T. Have plenty of room. I really like it. I already popped the front. The seat's not wet. Better look at where I mount it. So we need to pack up the rain gear, pack up the cover, and head out for a ride. So we stayed at the Sleeps Inn in Beaver, West Virginia. I need to hit the gas station over there. And then we're just gonna take off. We're gonna do just a little ride today, maybe an hour and a half, 2 hours. And come back, chill out, watch some YouTube, and then head home tomorrow. So I will see you on the road.